Stories for Kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Fofoy and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Hilarious Hijinks of Harry and Hank. In a small town called Meadows, there lived two lifelong friends named Harry and Hank. These two mischievous fellows were known throughout the town for their outrageous pranks and their infectious laughter. One sunny day, Harry and Hank decided to take their shenanigans to a whole new level. They hatched a plan to turn the mayor's annual garden party into a hilarious event that no one would ever forget. Armed with buckets of colorful paint and their quick wits, Harry and Hank set out to transform the garden party into a whimsical masterpiece. As the guests arrived, they found themselves surrounded by an explosion of rainbow-colored decorations, from paint-splattered trees to multicolored flowers. As the bewildered guests tried to make sense of the chaos, Harry and Hank donned disguises and mingled among them, causing mischief at every turn. They swapped name cards at the dining table, resulting in hilarious mix-ups and awkward conversations. They even rigged the sprinkle system to shoot bursts of confetti, showering the unexpected guest. The town mayor, initially furious at the unexpected turnout of the event, couldn't help but burst into laughter when he realized the pranksters were none other than Harry and Hank. The garden party turned into an uproarious celebration, with everyone joining in the fun and laughter. Inspired by their success, Harry and Hank continued their antics throughout Merry Meadow, brightening people's day with playful pranks. They organized impromptu flash mobs, surprising shoppers with spontaneous dance routine in the town square. They also left quickie anonymous gifts on doorsteps like singing greeting cards and rubber chickens. Word of Harry and Hank's hilarious escapades spread, and people from neighboring towns flocked Merry Meadow to witness their whimsical antics. The town became a hub of laughter and joy, attracting visitors who wanted to experience the mythful madness firsthand. However, Harry and Hank's pranks were never mean-spirited. They always made sure to bring smiles to people's faces and spread happiness wherever they went. Their contagious laughter and light-hearted spirit became a symbol of unity and camaraderie in Merry Meadow. As the years passed, Harry and Hank's pranks became legendary tales passed down through generations. Their legacy of laughter and silliness continued to bring people together, reminding everyone of the importance of finding joy in the simplest of things. And so, Harry and Hank's story lives on, a testament to the power of laughter and the positive impact that a little mischief can have on a community. The end.